No, I don't feel well. I have a strong headache.
Do you usually take any painkiller?
Usually aspirin. Do you have it? No, I'm sorry.
Come on, Michele, it's ready if you go to the infirmary.
Miss, can we make an aspirin?
Yes, of course, it's a simple reaction.
Can we go to the lab?
Yes, it's a really good idea. We can do it in the lab. Let's go now. Before we start, let's have some information about this compound. Hippocrates observed the analgesic property of lymph from the cortex of sallow tree. Its herbal tea was used as a painkiller in the medieval period. After several studies, it was at the end of the 1800s that the aspirin was synthesized by a small company named Bayer. The analgesic action of the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug is linked to the inhibition of the cyclooxygenase. It is an enzyme involved in the synthesis of prostaglandins and thromboxanes that are linked in the inflammatory processes. Making the compound is easy. It's an acetylation of salicylic acid with acetic anhydride. Let's do it!
In a round bottom flask, weigh 2 grams of salicylic acid, add 6 milliliters of acetic anhydride and a few drops of phosphoric acid. Put the flask in a water bath at 80 degrees for 15 minutes. After a few minutes, we can observe that all the components of the solution have dissoluted. Now that the reaction is complete, the aspirin should be isolated and purified. We now add 1 milliliter of water in order to destroy the excess of acetic anhydride. Now we let the solution cool down and then we add 50 milliliters of water. We cool the mixture down with an ice bath in order to let the compound crystallize. Now we filter the aspirin in a Buchner and we wash it with 2 milliliters of cold water. The raw material is now going to crystallize again through the add of a mixture of water and ethanol.
How can we be sure that the reaction is complete?
We could do the iron chloride test. We add a few drops of iron chloride solution to a sample of salicylic acid and to a sample of the compound we made. As we can see, only the sample with salicylic acid changes color, going from yellow to purple. Our compound remains yellow, meaning that the starting salicylic acid has been completely transformed into aspirin.
Wow, we did a very good job, didn't we?
Yes, but I still have a question. What is the mechanism of the reaction?
Oh, I know it! After being protonated by phosphoric acid, the acetic anhydride is attacked by the oxygen on the salicylic acid. Then the reaction undergoes several steps of proton exchange. The third step is the elimination reaction of a molecule of acetic acid. This process ends with the desired product. The catalyst is regenerated and another cycle is ready to start.
Isn't this amazing? So easy!
Oh yes, now everything is crystal clear.
Thank you everyone for this marvelous work.
Well done! Questo è il nostro ultimo video insieme. Grazie per aver